Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. We usually do this on daily basis so that we will know what to go for whenever we are trading. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own practice. Okay, make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I want to upload, whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, but you can always grow from your small trading capital, grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done this before. You too can also do the same thing. Now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, and of course we will be checking it out right away. Right from this support zone, it started the buy trend and of course got to this resistance zone but was unable to break out above it, so it went back on downtrend. It sold for a while and it got to this support zone, couldn't go beyond this support zone, and of course it went back to break out above this resistance zone, and of course it has gotten to another resistance zone again. If it's unable to break out below this, then it will start a downtrend, but right now it is still on buy trend, trying to make an attempt to break out above that resistance zone. But if it's unable to break out above it, then it can go back on downtrend right from there. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500 and I love the performance. Okay, this has been on downtrend for a very long time. Right from here, got to this region, pull back, and of course came back again to break out below this support zone, and it is still selling at the moment, trying to break out below this support zone. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it will keep on selling, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below that support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, okay, this had been on downtrend for a very long time but was unable to go beyond this support zone, so it started an uptrend right from there. So it will keep on buying, and of course it will keep on buying and may likely have a pullback around this resistance zone. Okay, so you should watch out for that, but it will try it out again to see if it will break out above it. Once it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying again, but this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on a very strong uptrend. It has gotten to this resistance zone but was unable to break out from there, so it will be trying it out again. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend, but once it breaks out above that, then it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above that resistance zone. That is when it will go back on sell trend. Okay, so the next asset, which is going to be the last one for today, is going to be volatility 75. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. This actually went on buy trend till it got to this resistance zone, pull back again, so till it got to this support zone, was unable to go beyond this, so it went back on buy trend, and of course right now it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.